On a certain day, two birds were in a tree. One of them was building a nest, and this one is flying off, collecting things, arranging the twigs. It's very active, doing many things. Above this bird, on another branch, is a second bird. It looks identical to the first bird, but it's not building anything. It's just observing. It's not building a self-image out of its perceiving, and it's not deeply interested in any aspect of what it sees. Its perceiving is happening quite spontaneously, without effort nor judgment. There is a silence there, that feeling of being without thought, just looking. This is actually a beautiful portrait of who we are. These two birds are connected. The first bird represents our dynamic being, the selfhood that is engaged in the world, in the future and past, in growing. It is the aspect that is living life with the sense of my family, with the sense of my children, the sense of my work, and so on. The second bird represents that conscious, witnessing observer within us. It is the ability to observe life taking place and activities unfolding, but it is not actually doing anything. Initially, the first bird who is building the nest may not be aware of the second bird. As soon as it is able to be quiet, it then becomes aware of the second bird, which is actually itself at a deeper inner level. When the first bird's mind is synchronized with the second bird, the activities become much more gracious. There is a sense of unity, a oneness. The second bird represents the change of perspective from the mode of personhood to the state of presence. If you can just slow down just a bit, your witnessing will become very serene, and you will notice that the activities of life are just happening by themselves. Every one of us is like these two birds, yet when we identify with being the doer, then we lose touch with the wholeness of ourselves and the truth of who we are. Slow down and take time to be an observer of whatever comes up in your thoughts, feelings, and sensations. Embrace your second bird. When you come from a state of presence, everyday life transforms itself.